Ma'am, 78.
78 of that worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Where the worksheet gone? Wait, I need to open the worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
So here I think so here I've solved. Anurag asked me, I think so that question.
Not first one, second one. First one I solved. Second one I'm not able to solve it.
'78 when the same question is given. That also someone has asked me this question. Chandana, I think so. Chandana, I think so I asked me.
No, ma'am, even this question was solved in the class.
Yeah, this is solved in the class itself. I have solved this question in the class.
Okay, ma'am. I guess I forgot it.
Let me check. I will show you the solution. No, this is
I've come till the third step. After that, I'm not able.
1 second. I have solved this in the class. Where exactly I have solved it? This is the solutions. Here,
Okay, ma'am.
it is equal to 11 by 4.
I took it with 4. In 16, I took 4 square and
Okay.
not
Then also you can solve. But here again it is left with other side you cannot divide with 4. No?
yes, ma'am.
So due to that you have to convert them into the basic ones. That is 2. Exponents of 2 you have to convert.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I understood it.
And any other questions of that part left out? MCQs, I sorry I could not send you, I forgot. So all of the questions done of that chapter? That question now.
Ma'am, you told we have to send by Monday.
Which one?
Remaining questions.
Yeah,
And
remaining questions of that. And MCQs, but MCQs you have books?
No, ma'am.
You have to get now. It is open. Get the books of R.S. Agarwal. That is a mandatory book for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is R.S. Agarwal only the book which we have to buy, or there are any other books that we should refer to?
For maths, R.S. Agarwal right now. And the remaining questions of RD, I will keep on sending you what exactly you have to solve.
Okay, ma'am. And any reference book for science?
Science is S. Chand for physics and chemistry. And for bio, it is Dinesh.
Dinesh.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Because S. Chand is for Olympiad level, so that is not NCRT based actually.
Ma'am, Eschan, you sent us full book.
What?
In Eschan, you sent us full book PDF.
Yeah, I already sent you.
But you sent only chemistry, I guess.
My mobile is not there. Yeah,
Okay.
I will send you that one also. So I have all those. Links are there. I will share those also.
Okay. Ma'am, and the notes from Sapiens, means from Institute we got.
Yeah,
Uh,
that is also a good one. That's the reason sent you. Fine, then the third part of the chapter, that is the properties of triangles you have to learn. The third part of the chapter, we have to learn two properties of triangles and we are using that one. So those are The first one, angle sum property. So what is angle sum property?
All the three angles in triangle should add up to 180 degrees.
Yeah. Sum of all three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degrees always. But we have to prove it also. So how to prove this? That is sum of all angles of the triangles is 180 degrees. So that is proved by using angle lines and angles properties. So this is a this is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. We have to prove given ABC is any triangle. What we have to prove? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. For this, we have to do one construction, that is extra line we have to draw. So that is, we have to draw a line through A parallel to BC. We have to draw a line, suppose we can consider XY. So the line XY we have to draw parallel to BC passing through point A. Draw line XY through point A parallel to BC. And now we have to prove it. Proof. This XY parallel to BC. Therefore, this angle and this angles are
Equal.
equal. Then angle C and angle YAC are
Equal.
equal. And the sum of these three angles is
180 degrees.
180 degree because
XY is a straight line.
XY is a straight line. So sum of all angles is 180 degrees. So now in place of XAB, substitute B. Instead of YAC, substitute C plus A. So A plus B plus C will be equal to 180 degrees. Just short proof. Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So first we have to write line XY parallel to BC. Therefore, angle XAB is equal to angle ABC. That is alternate interior angles. Even also angle YAC is equal to angle ACB. The reason is same. Alternate interior angles. Consider this as equation 1. And now write XY is a straight line. Then, therefore, sum of angle XAB plus BAC plus YAC is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle XAB plus angle BAC plus angle YAC is equal to 180 degrees. Angles on straight line. So instead of XAB, write ABC, angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle YAC. In place of that, replace it with angle ACB. That is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is from 1. And now ABC means angle B, BAC means angle A, and ACB means angle C is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of all angle is equal to 180 degrees. Is that right? Is it clear?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt. Can you show the figure once? Ma'am, in this figure, line AC, is it bisector of BAY?
No. No, we have taken any triangle. It is not bisected.
Okay.
Sorry, write the statement also. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next one is exterior angle property. What is exterior angle means? In a triangle, when two sides makes an angle, inner part of the triangle, then this is called interior angle, that is I. But when we produce any of the side outside the triangle, then this line makes angle with the same side of the triangle, second side of the triangle. So that angle is called exterior angle. Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any side in between two lines, two sides of the triangle, if the angle made by them inside the triangle, then it is called as interior angle. मेरे को नहीं है. Okay. Now here, any side, when you extend it outside and then try to make an angle. So here also, if you extend this line, this is the side. This is the interior angle between this first line and this line. But now when we extend it outside, now this outline is making the angle with the earlier side. This is the first side and this is the second side. And line 1, side 1 is making angle with side 2 from outside. Then that is called as exterior angle. Here also, if we extend this line and with this angle, with this line, the third side of the triangle, if first is making the angle, then that is called as exterior angle. If you produce this one also, then this third line is making angle with the first line. This is exterior angle. Extend this third this side. It is making, this is the interior angle between the third and second side. But when third is produced outside and then making angle, then this is called as exterior angle. Is that clear? What do you mean
Yes,
by
ma'am.
exterior angle? Is that clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now property of exterior angle. So what is the property of exterior angle? You have already learned in class 7th also. What is the property? Exterior angle is equal to?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles.
Sum of interior opposite angles. So this means if you draw this triangle, produce any one of the side outside, exterior angle so formed. So this is the exterior angle formed. This is count a neighbor angle, adjacent angle is this angle. So leave this angle. The remaining two angles sum is equal to this exterior angle. So its neighbor you have to leave it out. The remaining two angles of the triangle, that is this angle, suppose it is ABC triangle and this is line D extended to D. Now this angle is equal to angle A, exterior angle E is equal to angle A plus angle B. So this is A, B, and if you consider this as C, then angle E is equal to angle A plus angle B. Interior angles, but which of the sum of interior angles? Opposite angles. So its neighbors is opposite angle, remaining angles. So it is angle E is equal to angle A plus B. We can prove it also. Proof is, what is the relation between C and E?
Linear.
Sum of C and angle E is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair. And then angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. That is angle sum property. In this case, now what is the angle C? In the first case, what is the angle C? Or 180 are there, no? Both are equal to 180, equate them. So therefore, from 1 and 2, angle C plus angle E is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So this C will go to RHS. Then what will happen? Minus angle C. So this C and this C get cancelled. So angle E is equal to angle A plus angle B. That's proved. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So your main task is to find out which angles are exterior angles and how to use those property for exterior angles at that place. That is a main task in now further coming questions. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the property clear? So write on the property and write the proof of it. Done?
Ma'am, can you scroll it up?
Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 6.3 exercise NCRT. First question. In this given figure, side QP and RQ, QP is produced and RQ is produced to T, S and T such that, so QP is produced. Here one thing very important, QP produced and PQ produced. Both are completely different from each other. How are they different?
The side in which they are produced.
So it is QP produced means Q to P is produced. That means you are moving from Q towards P and then further. Right? And here PQ means
P is produced into
P
Q.
to Q
from
produced.
P to Q and then further. So here it is QP. That means QP produced means from Q you're moving towards P and then it is moved extended further. And PQ produced means you are starting from P towards Q and then extend it. Like this is the difference. This is the main difference between these two. Both are not same. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is in geometry, you have to remember that part. And now angle SPR is equal to 135 degrees and PQT is equal to 110 degrees. Find the angle PRQ. So this angle we have to calculate. So how can we calculate? Any idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Yeah, Vedam.
Ma'am, we can find the angle QPR by linear pair.
Okay.
So it will be 45 degree.
45. Okay.
And then we can find the angle PQR with linear pair only. It will be 70 degree.
Hmm.
And with angle sum property, 180 minus 45 plus 70 will be
Right.
angle.
Right. So that you can use, or maybe instead of this finding 45, you can use the linear exterior angle property also. So 135 degrees SPR is the exterior angle of this triangle PQR. So 135 is equal to sum of, leave the adjacent one, the neighbor you have to leave it out, the sum of remaining two angles, that is Q and R. So 70 plus R is equal to 135. That way also you can solve. Okay, both the methods are right, no problem. So angle PQT plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. That is linear pair. So PQT is 110 plus angle PQR is equal to 180. So angle PQR is equal to 70 degrees. Angle SPR is an exterior angle. Therefore, angle SPR is equal to angle PQR plus angle PRQ. This is 135 is equal to 70 plus angle PRQ. So 135 minus 70, that is 65, is equal to angle PRQ, 65 degrees. Clear? Is the question clear? And answer also. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Completed? You have to draw the diagram as well. Completed earlier question?
Yes, ma'am.
The next question. In this triangle, angle X is 62 degrees, angle XYZ, full angle is 54 degrees. YO and OZ are bisectors of angle XYZ. So YO is bisector of angle Y and ZO is bisector of angle Z respectively. Then find angle OZY. So this angle you have to calculate, and YOZ. This angle you have to calculate. Yeah. Trishila, can you tell how to solve?
Ma'am,
Yes. One by one step.
uh,
Full angle Y is 54.
ma'am, by angles and property,
Yes.
we can calculate the value of Z.
Okay.
So it will be 54 plus 62 plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree.
Okay. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180. 62 plus 54 plus angle Z is equal to 180. Angle Z is equal to 180 minus 62 plus 54. That is 180 minus 6, 11, 116. So it is equal to 64 degrees. Okay. Yes. So Z we got 64. Then
Then we know that angle XYZ and angle XZY are okay, they are bisectors. So
each angle will be
half. So
half.
64 divided by 2.
Yes, right. So this will be OZY will be 32 degrees.
64.
64
Yeah.
by 2, that is 32 degrees. And what about OYZ?
Then it 54 divided by 2.
Yes.
That will be 32. Then again, angle sum property.
Hmm.
27 plus 32 plus angle O is equals to
180
180.
degrees. Right. Very good. So angle Z we got 64 degrees. Then OZ is bisector of angle XZY. So therefore angle OZY is equal to half of angle Z, that is half of 64, which is 32 degrees. That is the first part we got. Angle OZY is equal to 32 degrees. This is the first part solution. Then OY is bisector of angle XYZ. So therefore angle OYZ is equal to half of angle Y. That is half of 54 degree, which is 27 degrees. So angle OYZ is equal to 27 degrees. And now finding angle O, we have to use this angle sum property in the lower triangle, OYZ triangle. Out of that one we got 27, second one we got 32. Then use angle sum property to find the value of O. In triangle OYZ, angle sum property, angle O plus angle OYZ plus angle OZY is equal to 180 degrees. So angle O plus OYZ we got 27 degrees plus OZY we got 32 degrees. So angle O plus 959 is equal to 180 degrees. So angle O is equal to 180 minus 59, 1 to 121 degrees. So angle YOZ. O means YOZ in 3 letters. Is this clear? Is the question answer solution clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then solve. The same question, it will be asked for 3 marks as a proving. In such conditions, angle O is equal to 90 plus half of angle A. Same situation XYZ, in that you have to prove the YO bisectors of the two triangles meet at point O. Then we have to prove angle O is equal to 90 degrees plus half of angle A. To check out angle O value is 90 plus half of X. A means here X, the vertex angle. So X is 62. So half of X is 31. So 90 plus 31 is 121. That is what you got. This you have to prove. Without angles, you have to prove this thing. So that is a 3 mark compulsory question. You have to solve that question. This is very important. Semester exam, you will get this question once, always. There are 2 such kind of questions are there. Out of those 2, one will be always asked.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yeah, I'm doing that. Harshini, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshini, can you try this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle BCE, you have to calculate. This angle you have to calculate. How to do?
Ma'am, angle ABE is equal to angle AED.
BAE.
Alternating. Yes, ma'am.
BAE. Okay, BAE. This angle and this angles are equal. Okay.
Yes.
So this is 35 degrees, right?
35 plus 53, that is angle E plus angle D,
Hmm.
plus angle C is equal to 180, angles and property.
Yeah.
So 180 minus 53 plus 35.
Okay, right. Right, very good. They have already given AB parallel to DE. So therefore, angle BAE is equal to angle CED, alternate interior angles. So therefore, angle CED is equal to 35 degrees. And now, angle sum property in triangle CDE. Angle C plus angle CED, actually here it is angle DCE, plus CED plus angle CDE is equal to 180 degrees. So angle DCE plus CED is 35, plus this is 53 is equal to 180. Therefore, angle BCE plus angle 88 is equal to 180 degrees. So angle DCE is equal to 180 minus 88, that is 92 degrees. So just with this question,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in triangle PRT, angle T is equal to 40 degrees plus 95 degrees plus angle T is equal to 180 degrees because it's angles and property. So angle T is equal to 180 minus 95 plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to 45 degrees.
okay. So PRT we got. We need SQT.
STQ in triangle STQ, T is equal to 45 degrees. So vertically opposite angles that also will come 45 degrees.
Okay.
then 75 degrees plus 45 degrees plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees.
That's right. Yes. Angle sum property.
Yes, ma'am. And the angle Q is equal to 60 degrees, ma'am.
Okay. PRT triangle. First use angle sum property to find out T value. So you'll get 45. So then this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. So angle TSTQ is also 45 degrees. And then use angle sum property to find the Q angle. Do by yourself. Completed? Chandana, try the next question. Yes, Chandana.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, first we can find out by angle sum property, we can find out triangle S, no, QSR, the angles of them.
Your voice is not clear. No, you're on.
Ma'am, are you able to hear me?
Now, yes, properly. Now it's coming. I think so. No, not getting. Your voice is not clear. Ankita, can you try? Ankita, are you there? Ankita,
Yes, ma'am. I'll tell. PQ parallel to SR.
switch on your video.
Yes, ma'am. Fifth one.
Switch on your video.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
1 second.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, your audio is not clear. Can I reconnect?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ankita, can you switch on your video?
no, it's like not cannot be turned on right now.
Right?
I don't know. Your video cannot be turned on right now.
Try once.
No, ma'am.
You are pressing on letter option there.
Ma'am?
You are pressing on letter option. Yes, instead of yes, you are putting on letter. You are pressing letter. Yes, Amrita. Amrita. Gone. Chandana, now is it working? Ganesh?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ganesh.
ma'am, angle, one second, ma'am.
Ganesh, switch on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, angle S, angle RQP,
RQP.
angle,
There's no RQP, the full angle. RQP
ma'am,
is this full angle.
ma'am, angle R,
Angle R.
angle R is equal to, angle R is equal to
Yes.
65 minus
65.
180.
Which is larger? Which is greater angle? 180 or 65?
180 minus 65.
180 minus 65. Okay.
Linear pair, ma'am.
QRS is equal to 180 minus 65. That is linear pair. Okay. Then 5, 3, 5, 55.
Yes,
One,
ma'am. 55.
no, 55, no. Sorry. It's 5, 2. No, it's 8 minus
Ma'am,
7 is 115. It's 115 degrees. Then other
angle X,
angle X.
angle X is equal to half angle Q.
Why? It is not given it is a bisector. They are not given this is a bisector.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the screen.
Okay, join again then.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ganesh.
Ma'am, angle 28 degrees alternate interior angle of Y, angle Y.
They have given this PS and QR are parallel.
No, ma'am.
Then How can we use it? They have given PQI and
Ma'am?
SR are parallel.
Ma'am, can I try?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Aditya.
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, is angle PQR adjacent, no, alternate interior angle to angle QRT?
Okay, this is 65.
So x
So
plus
the angle
28 is equal to 60.
Yes, x plus 28 is equal to 65.
65.
Okay. Angle
X is equal to
PQR
65 minus
is equal
28.
to angle QRT, that is equal to 65 degrees. Reason, alternate interior angles. Therefore,
So x is equal to 65 minus 28.
okay, x is equal to 65 minus 28, that is equal to 37 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
So x we got 37 degrees, right? Then
Then we can use angle sum property for the triangle. So it's 37 plus 90 plus y is equal to 180.
yes, in triangle PQS, angle sum property angle
90
P
plus
plus
37.
angle PSQ plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degrees.
180.
Angle P is 90, PSQ is Y, and this is 37 equal to 180 degrees. Y plus 127 is equal to 180. So Y is equal to 120 minus 127. 3, 5, 53 degrees. Clear? There are many methods you can solve. By solving this 115, you can use the angle sum property here. You can find out the value of S. S and X are alternate interior angles. Value of X and this S value, angle S, these two are alternate interior angles. From that also you can find out the value of X. But for Y value, you have to use angle sum property, or you can use PQ parallel to SR. So this full angle and this angle are co-interior angles. So sum is 180 degrees. If you find out S, which is 37 degrees by angle sum property, you can calculate. So 90 plus Y plus 37 is equal to 180 degrees. So by that way also you can calculate the value of Y. Any method, any one method, you can use it. Is it clear?
Yes.
Ganesh, clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down then. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Mark this question number 6, which is very important. This is always asked for 3 marks. 3 to 4 marks, this question will be asked. Okay, so read the question first. PQR is one triangle. Side QR is produced to point S. If the bisector of angle PQR, the bisector, so angle Q's bisector is QT, meet, and the bisector of angle PRS. PRS is the exterior angle. So that angle is bisector. They both meet at point T. Then prove that this angle QTR, this angle is half the angle QPR. So this angle is half of this angle. So to prove this, what we have to do, we will consider the angle X, these two bisectors. QT bisects angle Q. Therefore, both we will consider as X and X angles. Both are equal angles. Therefore, we have to consider them as XX. Then these two are equal angles, PRT and TRS, because this is also a bisector. RT is a bisector. So we'll consider this angle as Y and Y. And then we have to use the exterior angle property. So first we have to write, we have to prove this is a to proof part. Now in the proof part, QT is bisector of angle PQR. Therefore, angle PQT is equal to angle PQR, that is equal to, let it be X. Okay, an angle again RT is bisector of angle PRS. So therefore, angle PRT is equal to angle TRS. Let it be Y. Okay. So now use angle sum property. And sorry, this one property. PQR, PRS is an exterior angle. So can we use the exterior angle property? Angle PRS is exterior angle of triangle PQR. Can we use, what is the relation then? Yes, what is the relation of, if PRS, so only this much part is there. This is P, this is R, this is S, and this is Q. So what is angle PRS is equal to?
Angle P plus
Angle P plus angle Q.
Yes, angle PRS, exterior angle is equal to, leave the adjacent one, remaining two angles is sum. So angle P plus angle PQR. So PRS is PRS in our consideration. PRS is equal to
Y plus Y.
Y plus Y, that is 2Y, is equal to angle P plus PQR. What is PQR value?
2x.
2x. It is equal to 2x. So angle P is equal to 2y minus 2x. Is it right? Can we write like this? So angle P is equal to 2 into y minus x. Can we write like this way?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is, we will consider as equation 1. Now, P is equal to twice of y minus x. Now see here, P, Q, R is also one triangle. And TRS is an exterior angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is T, this is Q, this is R, and this is S. So is this angle exterior angle of this triangle? Can we consider?
Yes, ma'am.
So this value is Y. What is this TQR value? TQR value is equal to X. So we can write the exterior angle property for this also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So angle TRS is an exterior angle of triangle QTR. Therefore, angle TRS is equal to, like this we have the triangle. This is T, this is Q, this is R, and this is S. So TRS is equal to sum of angle
Angle T plus
T
angle
plus angle PQR. So this angle is Y and this angle is X. So Y is equal to angle T plus X. So what is angle T is equal to X will transfer on LHS, sorry. Y minus X is equal to T. This is equation 2. So here in angle, first triangle, angle P is equal to Y into 2 Y minus 2 into Y minus X is there. And we got the Y minus X as angle T. So can we replace this value?
Yes, ma'am.
Substituting value of angle T from 2 in 1. So angle P is equal to twice of angle T. So what is angle T is equal to? This 2 will come this side. Half angle T. So write in 3-letter words. Half angle QPR is equal to angle QTR. That's true. So what we have done, we have used two angles or exterior angle property. First, PRS is equal to 2y is equal to 2x plus p. So value of p we have calculated in terms of y and x. Similarly, TQR triangle, in that calculate the value of t in terms of y and x and substitute the value of t in angle p formula. Is that clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This question is always asked. That is 101% sure in your first exam when this chapter is included. At that time, this question will be there. Okay? Write down this properly. Draw the triangle, first diagram, and then write down the proof.
Ma'am,
Yes?
this question is from NCRT.
Yeah, these are all NCRT questions. 6.3 exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
The last question of 6.3. Completed?
Done, ma'am.
Done. Completed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Same question, do it by yourself again without seeing.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Without seeing the same question, repeat again.
Homework, ma'am.
Now.
Now.
Ma'am, should we again draw?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Do the same question again without seeing. Completed? Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? What happened? Have you finished? Rupika, have you finished?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Rupika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next question. QT. Here in this triangle, it's given information QT perpendicular to PR. QT. This is perpendicular to PR. Angle TQR. TQR. That is equal to 40 degrees. Angle SPR is 30. That is this angle SPR is 30 degrees. Find angle X and Y. Yes, Anurag, are you there?
Ma'am, I got the answer of this example, Samir.
Yes,
Okay. Yes, Anurag, how to solve?
ma'am. First, we will calculate the third angle of triangle PT. Like we can give the name O.
Here. Okay.
Yeah. So now
This is
angle
90.
PTO equal 30 plus 90 plus angle O equals 180 degree. Angle some property.
60 degrees.
And then vertically opposite angle. It is
Okay.
also 60 degree.
This is also
So now 100 plus Y equals 180 degree. Y equals 80 degree.
Okay.
Ma'am, and now angle OSR equals 100 degrees linear pair. In quadrilateral OTRS,
Why are you going that much longer? It's not needed. Simple one. Very simple. Very easy. Is C triangle QTR. In that, this angle is 90. Angle Q is 40. Can you find out angle X?
yes, ma'am.
That is
50 degrees.
50 degrees. Now angle PS, triangle PSR. So sum of these two angles is equal to this angle Y.
Ma'am, exterior angle.
Exterior angle property. Y is equal to x plus 30. So y is equal to
80.
80. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you are going, that is also right. That's not wrong method, but the longer method. So angle QTR, angle T plus angle TQR plus angle TRQ is equal to 180. Angle T is 19, QTR is 40, TQR is 40, then angle TRQ, that is X, is equal to 180. So 130 plus X is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 130, that is 50. So X, we will get 50 degrees. And then angle PSQ is exterior angle of triangle PSR. So therefore, angle PSQ is equal to angle SPR plus angle PRS. So y is equal to 30 plus x. 30 plus 15, which is 80 degree, is the value of y.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. This is NCRT done. One more question is there, but I will explain you. That is when you are very much confident in this chapter, then only the proving part I will explain you, because those are very, very important questions. Okay. So this is right now NCRT done. Then we have to come back to the RS. So in that, very simple questions are there. If the angles of the triangles are in the ratio, write the question. These are 1 markers, triangles are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find all angles. How to find out?
Ma'am, we can
40,
take it
60, and 80.
to 2x.
Yes, we have to consider that as
2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal
4x.
to 180 degrees.
Yes, 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degrees. So 9x is equal to 180. X is equal to 20 degrees. Now 2x is equal to 2 into 20, that is 40 degrees. 3x is equal to 3 into 20, that is 60 degrees. And 4x is equal to 4 into 20, that is 80 degrees. Write down.
Ma'am, these are R.S. Agarwal questions.
Yes, R.S. Agarwal, this is chapter 8.
Okay, ma'am.
8 exercise, only one exercise is there. Exercise 8 questions. Yeah. In triangle ABC, these are the angles relation they have given. We have to calculate the angle A, B, and C. So now here, A is also equal to B, and C and B's relation is given. So we will calculate all angles in terms of B. So thrice angle A is equal to 4 angle B. So angle A is equal to 4 by 3 angle B. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then again, these two relation. 4 angle B is equal to 6 angle C. So angle C in terms of B we have to calculate. That is equal to 4 by 6 angle B. This is 2 za, this is 3 za. So 2 by 3 angle B is equal to angle C. Can we write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then sum of all angles. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So angle A is 4 by 3 angle B. Angle B as it is. Angle C is 2 by 3 angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Then take angle B common. So it is 4 by 3 plus 1 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 180. So add this 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 4 plus 2, 6 by 3. That is 2 plus 1. That is equal to 180. So thrice angle B is equal to 180. So angle B is equal to 180 by 3. That is 60 degrees. So angle B we got 60 degree. Now find out angle A and angle B. Sorry, C. Angle A is equal to 4 by 3 angle B. 4 by 3 into 60. 320 is a, so which is equal to 80 degrees. And angle C is equal to what we have got 2 by 3 angle B. Angle C is equal to 2 by 3 angle B. So angle B is 60. 2 by 3 into 60. 320 is a, that is 40 degrees. Is that clear? So I have taken everything in terms of B. You can take it everything in terms of A or everything in terms of C also you can take it. There is no problem.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Write down everyone. First, one second, Vedant. Write down the question first.
I wrote, ma'am.
Others to write. Wait for them. Let others also write. Madhushri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, these are all 1 mark questions.
Yes. This is second one is 2 marks.
Okay.
Or they can ask you for MCQs also. If it is asked for MCQs, then it is 1 mark.
Okay, ma'am.
So now your homework is the objective questions, MCQs of the 7th chapter, R.S. Agarwal. I have sent you. The 28 questions are there. Finish those. And first 10 questions of exercise 8. So here, MCQ of RS 7th chapter. One file I have already shared, whoever don't have. And the second one is exercise 8. That is the 8th chapter. And that first 10 questions. These are very easy questions, 1 markers. These are just like just now what we have solved, the same will be. First 10 questions. Out of that, 2 already we have solved. So 8 questions are there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and evening you have an exam, test, sorry.
Ma'am, today 3 o'clock, right?
3 no, 5:30 no.
5:30, sorry.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 5:30 to 6:30.
Yeah, 5:30 to 6:30, same ID. ID will not be changed.
Ma'am, this one.
Yeah, same ID.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.